So our Capstone group was assigned to work with American Air Filter. We decided to do a layout change on their Astrocell 1 production cell area.
The reason why we're doing that Astrocell area is because they're getting a new extension of crimping equipment. So they have these crimpers that fold sheet metal to be put into air filters. They got offered a 25-cent discount by their supplier to switch from 200-pound sheet metal rolls to 1,000-pound sheet metal rolls. Since those 1,000-pound sheet metal rolls are bigger, they need to extend their crimping equipment in order to fit that. So they got to extend 21 feet horizontally. So our goal in the Astrocell 1 is to reallocate anything in that 21 by 35 foot square space in order to accommodate for those new crimping equipment.
And the issue that we're facing, what the Capstone project is down this line, this box here, these crimpers are going to move to the end of this box, and American Air Filter, the wonderful people there, don't want to disrupt the rest of this process by this move. So this has to go away, and we have to figure out the rest of this. And so the Capstone part of this is changing the layout, and Brent's going to walk through how we're going to do that effectively.
We have three main metrics up here that we're looking at. The first is safety. We need to make sure that any changes we make do not introduce any new safety risk or amplify any that are already there. The second metric is throughput. We need to make sure that the changes we make do not affect the production rate, that they're still working at the rate that they previously were. And then finally is defects. We need to make sure that any changes we make don't introduce any new defect possibilities and affect the quality in a negative way.
So this is our last time at AAF before we present. The results of our project were we created a new layout design which reallocated all of the necessary equipment into the new space. This is essentially a list of all the changes that were made due to the layout change. A lot of them have to do with getting rid of unnecessary equipment or moving equipment to a space that fits better. We also created a new material storage system to better reallocate their space and improve the safety metrics of the system.